we're back for our next video right now. This video, what we're going to be talking about is we are going to go over the command line, we're going to go over properties, and we're going to go over the line tool. Okay, we're going to kind of switch between all these as we're going. First thing, we're going to talk a little bit about the command line. The command line allows us to type in whatever we want to use, and it also has a logged history of all the things that we've done so far in this file. Okay, from saving it to clicking escape, it gives us all the information basically that we've done in order to make this file. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to type an L. The L, really quickly, is just a shortcut for line. Once I type in L, you'll see there's a whole list of different items that start off with L that I can select from, but the most common one that you use will be up top. It is possible for you to customize what shows up and where, but generally when you're using AutoCAD, you want line to be the first thing that pops up. So you can click on that, or I'm just going to click escape to get out of line. I'm going to type in L again, and I'm just going to click spacebar. Spacebar is equal to clicking enter. I could do the same thing here. L, enter. Alright. So really quick way to be able to get into the line tools is just get used to the letters that your tool is going to start off with, and be able to read through that really quickly, and it'll become second nature in no time. Now notice what happens in the command line when I started my line tool. It says line specify first point. It's asking us, it's prompting us about what we can do next. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and type in my first point. I'm going to go 2, 2, enter. Okay. Now I'm at 2, 2. Okay. So I'm 2 units up, 2 units over. Okay. From there, I'm going to be able to type in what my different distances are going to be. Okay. So say if I wanted to go 5 units at 45 degrees. So I clicked 5 and I clicked tab 45. Alright, now what this line is, it is 5 units long going at 45 degrees. Okay, so let's just take a look at the properties of this line and really get to understand all the information that's going on in there. So I'm going to right click on the line and I'm going to select properties. Here we could see where we start off. We start off at 2, 2. So that's that first point right there. Start X, start Y. We did not make, it's not a three-dimensional object here, so it's always going to have a 0 for a Z. Okay, and then we have down here, we have the length of it being 5 units, and the angle is 45 degrees. Okay, so by using this properties, we can tell a lot from an object. If you end up wanting to change it, you can always change. I want this point to actually go start from 1, 1. Okay, so you can change these things up. It's a good way to always check your work. Make sure that you are putting in dimensions correctly. Make sure they are on the correct layer and everything like that. Alright. We're going to continue with the line tool with dynamic line. So the first line that we did was a polar line. So polar lines allows you to select the angle that it's going at. Dynamic lines will have us go to a certain point. Okay. So if I want to use a dynamic line, like I want to go straight up, 1 unit, I can type in at 0, comma 1, and it went straight up 1 unit. All right, this is where getting to know the Cartesian coordinate system is going to be very, very helpful. Okay, if I wanted to go straight off to the right, I can do at 2, comma 0. All right, and that went 2 units directly over to the right. All right, so by getting to know the Cartesian coordinate system, we can start to get all of our lines figured out. It's really important that we always think X is first, so going left and right is first, and then Y is second, going up and down. So we can even take a look at our, it's not going to let me. You can take a look at our command lines. Okay, so specifies first point. I clicked on that point to start off. Specify next point or undo. So I said at 0, comma 1. So it just went, it didn't go left and right 0, and it went straight up 1 unit. Next line, 2, comma 0. So it went straight to the right 2, did not go up and down. Alright. So getting used to the line commands is going to be very, very important in here, and